Hello my beautiful Vargo. um, Welcome to my channel. I have come again with a 7 days card reading. Okay, that is 8th of November to 14th of November. Okay, in this channel whatever I am doing, whatever card reading, that all are timeless. Okay, whenever you will see this message, that will start from that time only. And if you see your my videos or my reading in your YouTube page, that means that universe wanted to give you this message through me. Okay, try to see that. Okay, don't ignore. And let's begin then and see what messages are coming from universe. Okay, I'll see your energy card first. Please give me the comments and subscribe my channel. Okay, tell me if you wanted different types of reading or not. Okay, I am having I am giving my details in my description box. You can see over there. I'm a professional card reader and approved card reader in London. Okay, mostly I'm doing the reading from USA, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and Ireland and England. Okay, contact me. You can contact through my WhatsApp also. My website is also there, and you can give me message also. Okay, through WhatsApp. Okay, I have taken this one, sorry. I'll see now your relationship. Messages from your higher self. Let's see what messages they are giving to you. Okay, this is the confirmation from Lenormand. I'm every time doing this. Okay, they are trying to tell my beautiful Virgo that maybe in your past you were a little bit heartbroken. Okay, um, you should release that energy and cut the cord. Try to tell Archangel Michael, okay, that you cut the cord from that energy, okay, because that is not serving anymore, and you are feeling I think tired and frustrated, and it is giving you the negative effect. So please release that and try to cut the cord. Try to take the help from Archangel Michael. um, Maybe that day some message will come which will inspire you to do more hard work, or you should think positively. Okay, some message will come which will be very actually interesting message, or you will get something, maybe offer, maybe your love message can come. Okay, or I think maybe email can come for your new opportunity which will inspire you to do go towards the positive thinking. Sorry. Will find your true love in that time or that day. Okay, it's showing that you'll find your true love. Okay, you should do the meditation, they are trying to tell, because if you do meditation then they will send the message through your meditation. Okay, because they wanted to connect with you through meditation. If you don't do meditation, then how they will give the message? Okay, you can be very much careful about your dream also. Maybe through your dream they wanted to give some message as well. Okay, yes, some marriage opportunity is coming. Maybe the marriage will fix for someone. Okay, this energy is there. 9th of November, you have to work on your inner child. Okay, and they are trying to tell that it is time to take back control to your life, control of your life, because you are not looking towards that where are you going. Okay, you are just thinking on your own and trying to go in front, but you should see where are you going. Okay, that will be harming, or that will be giving you the whatever you want. Okay, it's showing that maybe you have to sign something, or something is coming, you have to be very careful. That intuition is coming, maybe without looking or without seeing, don't sign anywhere. Okay, they are trying to tell that about your food habit, you have to talk with your nutritionist. Maybe you have to focus on your food patterns of food, what you wanted to eat. Okay, what you will eat. And the new luck is coming towards you very fast. Okay, you will get within maybe that week only. Okay, 10th of November, you were hoping for a long time that some collaboration will happen. Okay, and that will happen in this week or this day. Okay, some collaboration will happen. Maybe there will be some gathering also can happen. Okay, in your society or in your family, it's showing like that way. Okay, you will have some new romantic feeling also. Maybe you will you will meet with someone, okay, in that day. You have two times the message that your diet, you have to give importance to your diet also. Maybe we'll have the job opportunity from a big company, okay, and I think you will achieve something. Yeah, the abundance is coming towards you, okay. 11th of November, you have to have the balance in your life, okay. Maybe you are not having the balance, and actually 22 number is very much important for you, okay. um, if you are waiting for something that some opportunity that will come within this winter time, okay. Maybe your engagement will happen in the winter time, okay. I think you should call to the Archangel Raphael for healing, okay. I think you will meet with someone, your love partner. With him, actually you have very strong connection. I think past life connection. You are actually you are already having the past life connection with that person, and that is very strong. Yes, they're trying to give this message to you. 12th of November. Wow, very good card has come. You, whatever you will think, that will manifest in this time. From inside only your shining is coming, okay. Whatever things you will think, okay, that will manifest in this time, in this day, okay. So in this day, whatever you will think, be very careful, okay, what you are thinking. Yes, your new love is coming also. This message is not not for everyone. If that is not resonating with you, you leave that message, okay. So for some of you, new love can come, okay. And yes, new cycle is actually complete. New cycle has complete. Another new opportunity is coming, okay. You are thinking that you are feeling very tired, you cannot do, but you can do everything, okay. Your destination is coming near, means you can get everything whatever you want, okay. And you should having acceptance and gratitude to your higher self, okay. Now 13th of November, they're trying to tell that you should work on your heart chakra, okay. And you should call Archangel Raphael. If your heart chakra is closed, you should call Archangel Raphael, please open my heart chakra, and you should try to do the meditation, okay. If you do meditation, and you have to try to open your chakra, clean your chakra also, okay. Maybe you've lost something, you can find that lost object in this time, okay. Maybe in your love life some religious factors are there, but you will get the help from your family in this time, okay. actually it's showing that you are feeling very, you are very innocent, okay, and your character is very very sober. Actually they are trying to tell, if you are getting something, you are trying to do charity also, okay, trying to give this message to you. They are appreciating for that, okay. You should focus on your solar plexus, okay. um, if your if your solar plexus is blocked, you should try to open that. This message is not for everyone. If you feel that you are having some problem in your area of solar plexus, you have to try to clean that, okay. This message is coming. Maybe some celebration will happen in your family, okay. This energy is coming, and they're trying to tell that you should love yourself first, then you can think for others, okay. Maybe there is some competition will be there in that day, okay. Drink lots of water, they're trying to tell, should drink lots of water and be hydrate, okay. And then maybe there is one person who is trying to make fight in your family or in your life, okay. Be careful about that, don't interact with those type of people, okay. Okay then, my beautiful Virgo, I'll come again with another 7 days card reading. Before going, please subscribe my channel and give me like and share my videos and my channel with your friends and families. I'll come again, okay then. Until then, bye bye.